Did you know that Alexa has other names?
What?
Yeah, there's a couple of
Like
boring
the thing
ones.
you talk to and it
Yeah.
answers all your
There's
questions?
some really boring ones, but there's one really cool one.
What is it?
Ziggy.
No, it's not.
Yeah, well, it's Ziggy.
Ziggy?
Yeah, because see,
Like Ziggy? Yeah, Ziggy?
that's it. Like this, you mean? Ziggy?
Like our hats? Yeah.
See, here's the thing. Ziggy's knows what they're doing. They tell you all the right answers, how to do all the projects you need. It's like Alexa, only better.
That is absolutely awesome, yeah. And you know what? They're friendlier.
Yeah,
I've never yelled at somebody at Ziggy's like, stop, that's not what I said.
they
So,
understand
yeah.
when you tell them things.
They know.
I love that.
It's family run, you know, and they have employees that have been here forever because guess what? Why would you not want to be here when it's a family run business?
60 years, twice
Yeah.
as long as us, and twice as good. No matter what you need for any project, big or small, there's only one place to go.
Ziggy's! Yeah, Ziggy's.